ఇవ్వండి సార్ ఫస్ట్ టైం పెట్టి చెప్తాను.
ఇచ్చిన చూడండి మేడం.
సార్ దీన్ని పెద్ద స్క్రీన్ చేసుకోమంటారా?
వ్యూ లాస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ వ్యూ.
ఇదేనా సార్?
అంతే మేడం.
స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా?
చేయండి మేడం.
Very good morning to all, ma.
Good morning.
Our expected AGO Sir Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, our convener Somsekhar sir garu. Good morning sir. Sir అక్కడ పేరు తప్పు పడింది సార్, ఒకసారి ఎడిట్ చేస్తారా?
మీ దగ్గర ఆప్షన్ ఎస్కేప్ కొట్టండి.
ఎడిట్ చేయలేమా?
చేయొచ్చు, మీరే చేయాల. ఇదే కదా మేడం?
అదే సార్, మూవ్ చేయండి సార్ అట్లా. నెక్స్ట్.
హలో
నెక్స్ట్. So next slide button sir. Today topics ma respiratory system with parts, steps in respiration, respiratory gases, pathway of air, epiglottis and the pathway of air. Okay, the first I'm going to teach about the respiratory system with parts. All of you see this diagram. The diagram is the respiratory system. Respiratory system has so many parts are there. See, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, bronchitis, alveoli, diaphragm, bronchi, lungs, trachea. These are all parts of respiratory system. I give explanation in the next classes in the each one part of. Today I am going to next one of the topic is next slide. So next slide. See ma, very important topic, steps in respiration. What are the steps are in respiration? See, the first one is breathing. Breathing after gases exchange of a lungs level. Next, gas transport by blood. Next, gases exchange of base tissue level. Next, the step is cellular respiration. We know breathing and cellular respiration are types of respiration. Already learned in the previous class. What is the defined breathing? What is the defined cellular respiration? Okay, ma. These are very important steps in respiration. The first step is breathing. Breathing is totally connected with environment, ma. Environment, it produces oxygen from the plants. And next, breathing process is see like that. Air movement into and out of lungs. Air, the air means that is exchange of gases. Inhale gas is oxygen, exhale gas is carbon dioxide. The exchange of gases, it movements into and out of lungs. Through the, that means the breathing process is once inhale, once exhale, this process is called breathing. Is one of the air movement into and out of lungs. Exchange of gases. Inhale oxygen and exhale gases is exchange of this like that. The process it said breathing. Okay. Next, the next stage, gaseous exchange at lungs level. You know, in our internal body, have a two lungs, left and right lungs are there. Next, what is the exchange of gases between alveoli and blood? Alveoli is one of the part of respiratory system. Alveoli is situated between them blood. What is the main important role of the alveoli? That collection of the carbon dioxide and receiving to the oxygen and is through the all parts of the body. That is the main role of the alveoli. First one is, what is the gases exchange at lungs level? Exchange of the gases between alveoli and blood. You know already internal blood cells are there. It gives to the blood. The blood it produces oxygen. This oxygen also utilizing to the lungs and during the process of the respiration. Can you understand, all of you? Can you able to understand? Okay. Next, what is the next step is gas transport of the oxygen from blood capillaries of the alveoli to body cells and return of carbon dioxide. What is transport? That means, you know, internal body, it has a blood. The blood capillaries are there. The blood capillaries, first it produces oxygen. This oxygen utilizing the lungs and during the process of the respiration. But same that time, in the blood has alveoli, one of the part of respiratory system. This alveoli is also collection of the carbon dioxide exit from the body. This is the transport of blood. Blood is already, it produced to the oxygen. Where does it come from? The oxygen in the blood. Oxygen, that blood also improve to like that. You take the food contents, it convert to the blood. Blood already have a blood cells are there. Blood cells it produce to the oxygen. It oxygen utilizing to the lungs. It during the process of the respiration. Same that time, the collection of the carbon dioxide also exit body. Are you able to understand?
Yes, madam.
Next step is gases exchange at tissue level. Exchange of oxygen from cells and carbon dioxide from the cells into the blood. We know oxygen is from blood into the cells. Blood is produced to the oxygen from the cells, but it helps us to the during the process of the respiration. Same that time, the carbon dioxide also collection and it exit from the body. It exits from the outside. This is the maintenance of the exchange of the tissue level. Okay. The last step is cellular respiration. We know breathing is one of the excellent respiration. Cellular respiration, one of the type kind of internal respiration. We know in the excellent respiration is the kind of breathing that time does not produce to the energy. Okay. The cellular respiration, especially the gases also exchange and that time it produce energy also. ATP already I explained from the last class. Cellular respiration that time exchange of the gases are inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide and internal of the body. It helps to the cells and that time energy also produced. Using oxygen in cell process to produce carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy to be used for life process. The life process also the one of the kind of respiration. Okay, these are all very important steps in respiration process. Okay, ma? Sir, మీరు ఒక వీడియోని ప్లే చేయగలుగుతారా సార్ మీకు పెట్టింది? హలో సార్.
చేస్తాను మేడం.
సార్ అది సెకండ్ సార్ అది బ్రీతింగ్ అంటే సిస్టమ్ చూపిస్తుంది చూడండి, బ్లాక్ కలర్ లో వస్తుంది. మీరు ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి, నేను
Audio off
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్
చేయాలా?
చేస్తాను. ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి సార్, నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటాను. సెకండ్ వీడియో సార్. ఇదే సార్ సెకండ్ వీడియో, సెకండ్ ఇది. ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేసేయండి సార్.
సార్.
Everyone watch this video. Respiration in human beings. What are the parts are they situated from the respiratory system and in the human beings? Sema, nostrils are there. The nostrils inhale oxygen, internal body of the throw to the lungs. See, this is oxygen. The nostrils helps to intake of oxygen, it throw the lungs. Okay, the two-plex structure are there, ma. The two-plex structure is trachea. The trachea above the covered with cartilage rings. Rings-like structures are there, no? That is cartilage rings. See, the oxygen thrown to the lungs. See, all of you, watch this video very carefully. See, the two divided to the two tubes, ma'am. That is bronchi. Trachea, it divides two ways. These are also bronchioles. The bronchi, it divided so many bronchioles. See ma, the bronchioles inside the sac-like structures are there now is called alveoli. See, the alveoli is inside of the blood cells. Okay, see the blood vessels are there. See all of you, this is the human body. And see ma, this is rib cage ma. The rib cage, under it have a diaphragm. The diaphragm only the movements shows like that, upward and downwards. The inhalation and exhalation, that time the diaphragm it shows upward and downwards. See the see ma, the red color indicates the blood it flowing to all parts of the body. Okay, see the oxygen it connecting to the blood cells, and the blood cells and oxygen it throw to the all parts. That means it exchange of gases at that process of inhalation. Same that time inside of the body it exit of carbon dioxide and throw to the outside of the body. Can you able to understand this video?
Yes, madam.
Okay ma. Oxygen is, see, the bigger animals or elephants also, the process of respiration during to very difficult ma. That time the blood cells has a hemoglobin pigment is there. The hemoglobin pigment include to the oxygen, that the oxyhemoglobin, the process during to the big type of the animals, for example, elephant. Okay, this is the parts of the sema. The oxygen it carried to the blood vessels and it throw all the exchange of the gases that during the process of respiration. The respiration during the process, that time once inhalation, once exhalation, the total process is completed. After once respiration is over, the same that time carbon dioxide also in exit. Sir, video stop chesi naku share cheyandi sir, adi slide video stop చేసేయండి సార్, స్టాప్ చేయండి, స్టాప్ ది వీడియో. స్టాప్ చేయండి సార్ వీడియో, నాకు స్లైడ్ పెట్టండి సార్, నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. ఇదే సార్. సీమా, in this carbon dioxide experiment we all learned in 7th class ma. We are very well known to the experiment. Why? Because you take the test tubes and it take the lime water and carbon dioxide also is there, and you can turn to the milky white, that is called, it say the calcium carbonate. These are all the experiment. What is the importance of this, like that you all learned in the 7th class. But I recall once again, what is the carbon dioxide release outside exit from this, like the respiration process. I will once again I recall ma. Sir, next oka video undi sir, aa video pedtara, next video share cheyandi sir.
WhatsApp lo పెట్టండి, అదే కదా.
నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో అదే, దీనికి ముందున్న వీడియో షేర్ చేయండి, ఇంకా వీడియో అయిపోతుంది. అది కూడా ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే. వీళ్ళు ఎవరు స్లైడ్ మీద గీస్తున్నారు?
తులసి సార్ చెప్పండి సార్, పిల్లలు ఎవరు చేస్తుంటారు. ఆ వీడియో ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి, నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటా. ఫస్ట్ వీడియో సార్, ఇంతకు ముందు వీడియో. వాట్సాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి సార్. ఇదే సార్, మీరు ఆడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి. Now watch this video, all of you, to show experimentally that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. See, we will take the test tube, cork, delivery tubes in the 90 degrees. What is the procedure? You take the test tube and fill up fill in the fresh lime water. Lime water is called as calcium hydroxide. It kept to the cork and insert to the delivery tubes from A and B. It indicates from the 90 degrees. 90 degrees delivery tubes insert to the test tube. Test tube inside has a calcium hydroxide is there, lime water. If that boy is inhale gas is carbon dioxide. Inside the calcium hydroxide, it turned to milky white, is called as it gives to the calcium carbonate. All of you can able to understand this video? The boy exhale of the carbon dioxide ma. Already the test tube has a lime water. Lime water and carbon dioxide, it react, it gives to the calcium carbonate. That is indicate from the milky white. Is the proof to the experiment by the carbon dioxide is there. Sir, stop change, sir. Sir, the slide will share change, sir. The next slide button, sir. Next slide. See, what is the respiratory gases? That means the carbon dioxide is experimented to prove when carbon dioxide gas is posed through lime water. Lime water is called as calcium hydroxide. It turns milky or turbid due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Lime water, it turns milky white, is called as calcium carbonate, which is insoluble in water. But the following is the chemical equation for this calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide. It reacts, it gives like that calcium carbonate and water. This is the equation from the experimentally proved to the carbon dioxide. Okay. Next, however, when the excess of carbon dioxide is posed through the solution, the turbidity disappears and a clear solution is obtained due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. Just like how much of the calcium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, carbon dioxide, and including water also. That time it react gives us bicarbonates. Calcium bicarbonates, it gives us like that in this process, in this experiment. Okay. This is the what is the main this carbon dioxide is proved to the experiment. You take the lime water and it is exhale here is a carbon dioxide. It both is react gives us calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate is the indicate the color is milky white. The milky white solution it forms, it is called say calcium carbonate. Okay, can you able to understand carbon dioxide exhale here in the during process of respiration? Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
Okay, ma'am.
next slide button, sir. Can you move next slide, sir? See, ma, this is the very important topic, the pathway of air. Pathway means direction. Okay, what is the pathway of air? See in this diagram, already this diagram is respiratory system. First of all, air normally enters through the nostrils. You know, we have two nostrils are there and situated from the nasal cavity. The two nostrils, it passes to the larynx and then the trachea. Larynx is situated from the upper trachea. Larynx is one of the voice box. Larynx, it produces to the sounds. The larynx is the first part of the respiratory system. The larynx behind that is start with the tube-like section is called trachea. Okay. Next, and then the throw the bronchus to the lungs. Trachea, it is divided into that means the bronchus, it two ways, it's situated like that in the lungs. Trachea is one tube-like structure. Trachea is divided in two ways. The two ways are called, say, bronchus. The bronchus is situated from the two lungs, left and right lungs. Okay, the end of the trachea. The part of trachea end of the two ways are there. The two ways, it say like that bronchus. Okay, next, lungs contain millions of alveoli. In our lungs, contain millions of alveoles are there, ma. Types of gas exchange between air and blood. The exchange of the gases in blood or environmental, anything like that. That is the main alveoli is the main role of the exchange of the gases during like that. Okay. Next, the thoracic cavity is bounded on the bottom of a thick layer of muscle called is called as diaphragm. Diaphragm does not enter the exchange of gases, ma. Only the diaphragm is a divided layer of thoracic cavity and abdomen. Thoracic cavity is it's situated from the lungs. Abdomen is so many stomach and other parts of it situated from this abdomen. But is the layer is divided to the thoracic and abdomen. That means the diaphragm is it helps to the moves to upward and downwards. The upward and downwards indicates respiration, inhalation and exhalation. Okay, sir, inka time unda naku current ochindi. Sir. Sir?
1 minute ఉంది.
1 minute ఉందా? సరే సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్. ఎవరైనా పిల్లలు మాట్లాడతారేమో. Ma, any doubts are there, ma? Please ask for me. Can you able to understand all of you?
No doubts. Yes,
Some
madam.
disturbance
No
is there
doubts,
today.
madam.
Today is one disturbance is there in my system is put off, ma. Just like disturbance in this class. Sorry to say all of you. Any doubts? Say all of you.